Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 10th standard Agriculture of India. Agriculture of India, this is very vast subject and very vast chapter also. That's why I have divided the first part only into some groups. So first part already I have discussed about the agriculture, importance of agriculture, characteristics of agriculture, and the green revolution, how many types of agriculture is there. All these things I have already discussed. Now here I will discuss that after green revolution we have seen that is that to develop the production of agriculture, what is the the methods we have taken to for the better improvement of agriculture. So though that green revolution we have seen, then also there is some problems are there in our agriculture, Indian agriculture. So what are those problems, and also we will discuss here that how to solve that problem. Let's see now what are the problems of agriculture. Now next see what are the problems of Indian agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people in India, we know. Agriculture is the source of living of about 70% also, I have told you. So agriculture is the basis of Indian economy, but many factors hinders the development of agriculture in our India. What are those factors? That means what are the problems of our Indian agriculture? Excessive pressure of population on land, number one. Due to excessive growth of population, pressure of population on land is increasing, you know. So overcrowding, you know, that's after China, our position of India according to our population. So overcrowding reduces the per capita cultivation land in India. The growth of rate of agriculture is low. So we have seen trend of urbanization is also diverting this agricultural land to the non-agricultural land. Secondly, unreliable rainfall. That is already monsoonal rainfall. We know that already we have read the climate chapter, and the southwest monsoon is giving rainfall. So always this is uncertain, unreliable and irregular. Sometimes heavy rain cause floods, while less rain can cause drought conditions. So because of that, irrigation is necessary. So problems of this is one of the problem of Indian agriculture. Third, the small land holding. Due to the farm that fragmentation, land holdings are small and uneconomical. Small land holdings are not enough to support the large family. Farmers are even not interested to adopt this method of cultivation. So this is also one of the problem of Indian agriculture. Then low productivity. Low productivity means, you see, that average productivity of food grains and other crops are very low in comparison to other countries. High yielding varieties means HYV seeds we are using. Then also that the percentage of cultivation of the land is very low. So main causes of low productivity is ignorance of high we can say that the ignorance of farmers means farmers are not taking care about their seeds, low quality seeds they are using, and they are not using the pesticides. So this is also one of the problem of our India agriculture. Next, poor techniques and productions. Indian farmers are using old and inefficient methods and techniques for the production. So we can say that is one of the problem. Next, that is sixth one, lack of mechanized farming. Intensive farming practiced in India and manual labor is used to get maximum output. Due to the low purchasing powers of farmers, this is also modern machines are very limited. That's why this is one of the problem. Seventh is that the last one is that the problems of finance. Poverty of Indian farmers are a serious problem. So, till now the farmers are dependent on the villages and money lenders and suffer the burden of heavy debts. That's why that is one of the main problem. However, the government in recent 5 years plans they have adopted, and these 5 years plans, through these 5 years plans they are giving more emphasis on the agriculture and the rural development, and due to this that little improvement is there, better credit that facilities are there, free educational program is also there. So in this way people that farmers are also learning something, and gives that the trying to help in agriculture, that taking up by taking new methods, and the development is they are trying to do as much as possible. We have seen the problems of agriculture also. If problems are there, then we have to solve it. Now see the steps taken by the government to increase the production, to increase the yield of crops. It promotes availability of good seeds to the farmers. Agriculture Price Commission has been set up with which controls the prices of the agriculture products, and the farmer purchases certain crops at fair prices and protects the farmers against exploitation. And then government provides some loans for purchasing free equipments for the farm equipments, and some special banks that also there who provides the loan to the farmers. Next we can say new irrigation systems or new irrigation schemes have been started, so that more land could be brought under the cultivation, means more land we can cultivate easily in a few moments. Then to promote economical cultivation, consolidation of farm is taking place by the governmental initiatives. Then we can say that subsidies on fertilizers, free electricity to the farmers, and supplying HYV seeds is guaranteed to the farmers. Now, I have come to the end of this video. My next video, this is very long chapter, that's why I have divided this video into some parts. Next video I will describe about the types of agriculture in India. If you subscribe my channel, then automatically the next video you can see, you can watch it and watch this video. Hope that it will be helpful for you to learn that the preliminary knowledge about the agriculture. Thank you. Have a nice day.